I'm going to do a quick review on this battery-powered chainsaw. This is going to be a small personal handheld chainsaw that you don't really need in situations where you would use a full-sized one. So just with the product itself, comes with a few different things. We've got a second set of the grills here, and we also have a replacement and or shorter guard here for the actual cutting part of the chainsaw. And so this is 6 inches, this one's going to be 4 inches. So obviously if you just have different situations, or maybe you don't need it to be 6 inches long in that instance, you can obviously use the alternative. It does come with some tools that you can use when switching those things out, so that's obviously going to be nice to come inside the box, so you don't need to go out and get the other parts that you need. It also comes with a piece here, which is going to be a liquid solvent, so you can obviously take a look at that. And then it does have the battery, and like I said, this is going to be a battery powered handheld chainsaw, so it's super easy. You just plug it into a wall, you slide that on there, and then obviously you'll get a green and a red light for the charge that's in it. So we can go ahead and give it a try here. Just slide the battery in. You've got a guard here, so you don't need to worry about things flying up into your face. I would recommend using safety gear. Obviously you're going to want to have either like some gloves on, or some gloves or some eye protection. Just better be safe than sorry. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and do a quick example. So for this, we also have a safety feature here, and so when it's down, obviously the lock is going to be on, and then when you turn it off, you can run the chainsaw. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it, and we'll take a look. So I'm going to put the safety back on, come on over to the tree. There we go with that. And so you can kind of work things down with this. Obviously it's a handheld one, so you're not going to be able to get anything too big. Before this, it's something great. Maybe if you're going to be on like a work site, this would be something great to use. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and check it out today on Amazon.